my name is Kim Dietrich. I work at the Ellis Curtis Center, and today I want to talk to you about Medicare and open enrollment for people who have Medicare. Open enrollment is from October 15th through December 7th every year. People on Medicare can choose a new Part D plan for their medicine. So people should use this time to compare Part D plans for the upcoming year to make sure they will still be enrolled in the most affordable plan. To compare Part D plans, you need some basic information such as your name, your Medicare number, date of birth, your effective date of Part A and Part B, which is on your Medicare card, your address and zip code, preferred pharmacy, and a list of medications including dosage and quantity. When you start comparing Part D plans, we will create a user name and password at Medicare.gov. Then we will enter all the information I just talked about. 10 to 20 drug plans will come up. You can look at the cost and the deductible and see which one is most affordable for you. Please contact me at the Ellis Curtis Center if you would like help comparing Part D